past year, the boom in AI technology has made it much harder to tell if what we're seeing online is real or fake. And if you're thinking to yourself, well, there's no way I'd ever fall for it. Well, here's a cautionary tale. This weekend, a cousin of mine texted me asking if I could hook her up with some weight loss gummies. And when I asked what she was talking about, she told me she saw this interview of me being interviewed by CNN's Anderson Cooper.
We decided to ask Joy herself, and this is what she told us.
Hi, Anderson. I'm happy to have this opportunity to tell you my story. 2 months ago, I saw an advertisement for NTX.
The thing is, I have never been interviewed by Anderson. I've never even met him, nor have I ever endorsed some weight loss gummies. This whole thing was a deep fake scam. Just ask my trainer, Coach Jazz. But this kind of